Welcome back to Suntop YouTube channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to an amazing product, the portable CO2 laser marking machine. It's widely used in various industries like manufacturing, jewelry, and medical aesthetics. First, it adopts either the original America brand SYNRAD, or China top brand DAVI brand RF metal laser generator, which ensures a long service life. Look at this red light preview feature. The marking position is clear at a glance, which is really convenient for accurate work. It has high working precision, fast speed, and very stable performance. It can work continuously for a long time, and is directly applicable to large-scale online processing production lines. With a full set of imported optic lenses, it has low consumption and good focus performance. And here's the cherry on top. It's maintenance-free, with a simple plug and play design, and no consumables needed. That's all about our portable CO2 laser marking machine. If you are interested, click the links in the description. Thanks for watching.